Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Tanu Dang, Assistant Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. Today I'm going to talk about how to do public speaking, the art of public speaking. We will be discussing various elements of public speaking in today's lecture. So let's go ahead. So as you can see the topic, we are talking about the art of public speaking. First, we'll talk about the elements of public speaking. Public speaking is like any other communication process, but still, when we talk about the elements, there are a few additions that I will explain to you in detail. The first element is speaker. We all know that the most important element of any communication process is the speaker. In public speaking also, the ability, the communication style and the aura of the speaker is the most important element. The second element is message. We all know that if the message is not framed properly, delivered properly, or constructed properly, it can actually hamper the communication process. So when we talk about public speaking, it is very important that the message should be clear, it should be concise, it should be understandable, and at the same time it should be delivered in a proper manner so that it makes very much sense for the audience. The third element is channel. We all know that when we are delivering a communication, we need a perfect channel. And when we talk about public speaking, definitely the channel is the speaker. So the channel is very important and so is the ability of the channel. The next is audience. A very important element of the communication process is to understand the audience for which you are delivering the message. When we talk about public speaking, it is important to know the kind of audience you will be addressing in the gathering. The next is noise. Now we all know noise is something that we cannot avoid in a communication process. Noise can be anything. When we talk about public speaking, it can be even the breaking up of a mic or anybody in the audience, reaction of an audience or abrupt coming of somebody in the hall. So public speaking definitely has several noise elements that you should take care of. Next is feedback. We all know that the evaluation of the communication process can only be made if there is a good feedback. In the case of public speaking, the feedback means the response of the audience. Next part definitely is the context. When we are talking to the audience, it is very important that we know the context, the area that has to be connected in your communication process. Last is the environment. The way you present the message will depend upon the place you are at. So that is very important element that you should take care of when you're doing public speaking. Now we come to the next slide. The components of public speaking. The first important component is public speaking has to be audience centered. What does that mean? That simply means that you have to understand your audience. You have to actually draw the content around the expectations of the audience, the choices of the audience, the habits of the audience, and everything that you can know about your audience. Next is that you should have a lot of supporting material. If you keep on speaking like I'm doing right now and do not have something in my background, it might be very boring for the listener. So when you're doing public speaking, it is very important that you should have good content. And when I mean content, I also mean there should not be any plagiarism in that content. The content should be original, it should be arranged in a proper manner, it should be presentable, it should be understandable. Now, what is the supporting material you can include? It should be based on the audience, it should be based on the environment, it should be based on the topic that you're talking about, and also the understanding level of your audience. You should always select your content and your background material in your presentation based on the audience. Another very important thing that you need to take care of are the 5 things which are very important while you're delivering content to the audience. The first is invention. Everybody has said something that you're saying. If you are public speaking, you have to make sure that your content is different. At least it should have some different examples, some different way of delivery, or something that makes it innovative. That is very important. Second element is arrangement. You cannot just go on speaking without having any frame of mind. Everything should be framed properly. There should be a proper beginning, there should be a proper middle, and there should be a proper end. Next is the style. Definitely, your style matters a lot. The way you deliver the content makes all the difference. So it's very important that you have your own style. You can be inspired by anybody, any speaker, but definitely if you want to be a successful public speaker, you need to develop your own individual style. Next element is memory. We all know that when you're public speaking, you cannot just read and speak. That makes the public speaking very, very boring. So you can definitely have a paper in your hand, you can have some pointers, but definitely you cannot read from it. So having a good memory is an asset, and public speaking it's very, very important. Coming back to another element, which is delivery. If you have a very good content, if you have very good presentation, and you do not deliver it properly, then definitely you cannot be a successful public speaker. So how you deliver the content, how the audiences react to your delivery, how well they conceive your message is all based on the ability of the speaker to deliver it. So delivery of the content is a very important feature. Next is narrative thinking. Now, what does narrative thinking mean? It means that when you are talking to your audience, you must be able to imagine a few things or create stories or anecdotes and relate them to your speech. Because once you do that, the audience feels connected to your message, and immediately there is an interpersonal communication and connection between the speaker and the audience. Last but not the least, you must understand that how whatever you're speaking can be connected to your audience, how they can be related to their experiences. Engaging and involving the speaker, the listeners in your conversation is equally important. So these are the basic elements that have to be taken care of and the core qualities that must be considered while public speaking. I'll meet you again in how to prepare your speech for public speaking. Thank you.